We have the instruction here how we can assemble them, all the pieces exactly how they're coming. Okay, all right, now let's take them out part by part. From here, so red one ready. Wow, let's check this one. We have the same part from down. With rollers and piston and the hold up for piston. Okay. Everything is done, I think here. Alright, I will start to unsettle this chair. Here we have a bolt and screw for whole chair. We're gonna use them in a minute. This is the piston that I'm talking about. Like that one, we can check this, take this off. And this is becoming here. Okay. Now the rollers, how it's exactly like the other one, with the safety here to can expand and make in place. Okay, one right, one done. Two. Three. And two more left. All right, that's the fifth. Okay. All bolts there. Starting with the seat. Sorry. Thank you. Okay. That's the part like that. Then we have this can be down. So this is here. And we're gonna use them, the long ones. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. So long ones. Going here. We don't put the whole one, you can see exactly. Okay, now we can make tight. not so tight because it can be breakable inside. It's wood. Alright, one side done, one more to go. Wow, nice. What are the other two? These ones. So how we said, not put in position, not very tight. You don't need any special tools for this because they provide everything on this one, and it's very nice. Everything is like puzzle. You just follow the instructions. Okay, not very tight. Now this one. On this side, we can't put this first one, we can't, because if you put in this will be disturbing us to unbolt this one part here. We don't have enough space, so I put the handles first, but after this one we'll use the 4 small bolts, same they provide. Three, 4. Okay, let's tie them up a bit. All right, this part is ready. Now we put the back one. This is fireproof, and it's very good. Starts to look like a chair, yeah? Okay, one again. Two. Same, not very tight. We can put in space all of them. Okay, now this have to be, this is right, this one place. Okay, but this one you have to adjust a bit. Yes. Okay, now this side. That was alright. Oops. Perfect. I'll put this up here because apparently it's done. Now let's combine them. So this part is going inside here. To know exactly when it's going, get my finger. Alright. Press. And voila.